Have you ever wondered how Instagram accounts actually get compromised? Every day, thousands of people wake up to discover they can no longer access their accounts. Photos disappear, messages are sent without permission, and sometimes even the recovery email has been changed. Many people think hackers simply break into Instagram's servers, but that's almost never what happens. The reality is very different. Most Instagram account compromises happen because attackers exploit human mistakes, not because they hack Instagram itself. They rely on phishing scams, weak passwords, leaked credentials, fake websites, social engineering, malicious apps, and other deceptive tactics. In this video, you'll learn the most common ways Instagram accounts are compromised and, more importantly, how to protect yourself from becoming the next victim. Let's begin. The first and most common method is phishing. Attackers create fake login pages that closely resemble Instagram's official website. They may send emails claiming your account has violated community guidelines, that your account will be suspended, or that you need to verify your identity immediately. These messages are designed to create urgency. If someone enters their username and password on the fake page, those credentials are sent directly to the attacker, who can then attempt to log into the real account. This is why it's important to check the website address carefully before entering your login details. Even a small difference in the domain name can indicate a fake site. Another major reason accounts are compromised is password reuse. Imagine using the same password for Instagram, your email, an online shopping site, and a gaming platform. If just one of those services experiences a data breach, criminals may try that same email and password combination on Instagram. This type of attack is known as credential stuffing, and it succeeds because many people reuse passwords across multiple accounts. The solution is simple: use a unique password for every online account. A password manager can help you create and securely store strong passwords so you don't have to remember them all. Weak passwords are another common issue. Passwords based on birthdays, pet names, simple words, or number sequences are much easier to guess than long, randomly generated passwords. Strong passwords should be long, unique, and difficult to predict. Another tactic attackers use is social engineering. Instead of targeting technology, they target people. They might pretend to be a friend, a company representative, or even Instagram support. They build trust and then convince the victim to reveal sensitive information such as verification codes or login credentials. Remember, legitimate companies will never ask for your password or authentication codes through direct messages or email. Third-party applications can also introduce risk. Some apps promise free followers, profile analytics, or account verification. While many legitimate apps exist, others may request unnecessary permissions or ask you to log in with your Instagram credentials. Before connecting any app, verify that it's reputable and review the permissions it requests. Protecting your email account is just as important as protecting Instagram itself. If someone gains access to your email, they may be able to request password reset links for many of your online accounts. This is why enabling two-factor authentication on both your email account and Instagram is highly recommended. Public Wi-Fi networks can also present risks if you're not careful. Avoid entering sensitive information on unfamiliar networks unless you're confident the connection is secure. Keep your device updated with the latest operating system and app updates, as these often include important security fixes. So what can you do today to improve your account security? Start by creating a strong, unique password. Enable two-factor authentication using an authenticator app whenever possible. Review your login activity regularly and sign out of devices you no longer use. Remove third-party apps that you don't recognize or no longer need. Be skeptical of urgent messages asking you to log in or verify your account. Never share authentication codes with anyone, regardless of who they claim to be. And always keep your phone, browser, and apps updated. The biggest takeaway is this: attackers often succeed by exploiting trust and poor security habits, not by breaking sophisticated encryption. Practicing good digital hygiene can dramatically reduce your chances of becoming a victim. Cybersecurity isn't just about using advanced tools, it's about making smart decisions every day. A few minutes spent strengthening your account today can save you from losing years of photos, conversations, and memories tomorrow. If you found this video helpful, don't forget to like, subscribe, and turn on notifications for more ethical hacking.